Former Minister Zizi Kodwa now wants the state to drop charges of corruption against him before the case even goes to court. This was confirmed by his legal representative, Advocate Zola Majavu, on Thursday. This as Kodwa and his co-accused made their fourth appearance before the Johannesburg Specialized Commercial Crimes Court that was sitting in Palm Ridge. Newzroom Afrika's Juniour Khumalo filed this report.
In a surprise turn of events, former Minister Zizi Kodwa has made an application to have corruption charges against him dropped. This was done through his legal representative making further representations to the Director of Public Prosecution to this effect.
I was then fortified to make representations to the effect that the charges against him must be withdrawn. Whether or not the DPP will accede to that is another story.
In the last court appearance, Majavu cautioned against further delays in the matter. At the time, the matter was postponed after Kodwa's co-accused, Johannesburg, made his own representations to have charges against him dropped. Majavu bemoaned the delays in the commencement of the case, saying they were prejudicial to his client.
And I can tell you, on behalf of Mr. Kodwa, with or without these submissions, we will be ready. We'll say to the court on the 24th, give us a trial date, we are ready.
After the matter was postponed, Majavu elaborated on why he believed the charges should be dropped.
Having read the docket, having read the charge sheet, and from the answers they gave me, I was more than determined to go ahead because it became very clear that there are more questions than answers.
The state remains adamant that Kodwa has a case to answer.
Well, the case was enrolled after we have established that there are prospects of a successful prosecution. The defense are well within their rights to make assumptions, but as the NPA, we established that there are prospects of a successful prosecution.
Despite the request to postpone the matter, the magistrate remained convinced the delays were not excessive. As such, he acceded to the request by the state and the accused's legal representatives.
Thank you, Mr. McKay, Mr. Kodwa. Your case postponed then until the 24th of October, back to this court, 8:30. I'm satisfied by the submissions by all parties that this matter is not stagnating. It is moving along at a reasonable pace.
The state has committed to ensuring that the co-accused should have received the DPP's decision before the 24th of October. It's been almost 3 months since Kodwa resigned as an MP, citing a need to focus all his attention on clearing his name. For Newzroom Afrika on channel 405, I'm Juniour Khumalo at the Palm Ridge Magistrates Court.